Hello, my young developers. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my channel, Digitalize the World. Today, we are going to be learning how to add characters and backdrops. So basically, in Sprite Junior, when you open it up, there are two buttons which appear in front of you. One is the home button and the other one is the help button. Right now, we don't need any help. Let's get inside the home button. Okay, so when you dive into the home button, you see there is a button on the top here which has a plus symbol on it. This means whenever you want to create new projects, you have to click on it. And in today's lesson, we are going to create our first lesson with which we are going to be learning how to add characters and backdrop. So right now in my interface here, you can see there is a character that is already added by default. So the name of that character is tick here. So we can change, we can customize, we can do anything with this character with the help of this paintbrush. But not today, because in next lesson, I'll be making a video in which I'm going to teach you how to customize your characters. So in today's, as I told you, we're going to be learning how to add characters and backdrop. So let's get a character other than this tick. Let's click on this plus symbol. And when you click on this plus symbol, these are already made characters by me. But when we dive into this and we scroll down, we see there are a lot of characters in which you can see different categories, like animals of different categories, like wild animals, pet animals, sea animals, you see? And you can choose any of the character you want. So for example, I need a character which is this penguin. I love penguins. So let's choose this penguin. So how to choose it? First highlight it and just double press it. You get the penguin. Okay, for example, I don't want this tick. I click on it and drag my penguin and long press on my tick here. And you get a cross button on the top. Click on it, delete it. Now I have only a penguin right in front of me. No, but the background looks very dull. How to add the backdrops or backgrounds? You see on the top, there is a gallery button here. You click on it and there are a lot of backgrounds here of different categories. So penguin lives where there is cold, right? So I'm going to click on this winter, or we can click on Arctic as well. Let's click on Arctic. And there you go. So we have added a character with its backdrop. Now kids, remember, whenever we are trying to add a character, so remember that you always have to add a character related to the backdrop. So as I have selected my character first, then I selected the backdrop related to my character. So this is the first scene that I have created. If you want to create another scene, what you will do? We go to the new backdrop. In the new backdrop, in the gallery, let's take the backdrop, which is water. There is a water here, underwater. Let's choose that. In this water, what is this tick doing here? Let's delete it. Boom. Let's choose our character. The character which is supposed to be a sea animal. We can take a fish. Boom. You see, a fish has been added. So my young developers, what we have learned today? Today, we have learned how to add characters and backdrops or backgrounds. Okay, my young developers, in our next lesson, we will be learning how to customize our characters, but not in today's lesson, in the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.